Hi everyone, welcome to our online learning platform SP Lessons. So today we are come up with a new topic that is called NEET Organic Chemistry MCQs. So let's start. How many questions are in Organic Chemistry NEET? Organic Chemistry shares 28% weightage of the total number of questions. To learn the basics of the subject, candidates must go through the NCERT books thoroughly. Is the NCERT syllabus good for chemistry in NEET? Chemistry demands the attention of students in understanding reactions and concentrate basic understanding, but once done, it only gets easier from there. Mastering NCERT syllabus for NEET chemistry should be topping your list of 2 to 4 chemistry. NEET chemistry is divided into 3 sections, namely physical, organic, and inorganic chemistry. Compared to biology and physics, chemistry is considered to be the most scoring section. If prepared thoroughly, chemistry can help students to secure a meritorious position in the exam. So, what is physical chemistry? Physical chemistry is the study of macroscopic and particulate phenomena in the chemical systems in terms of the principal practices and concepts of physics such as motion, energy, force, time, thermodynamics, quantum chemistry, statistical mechanics, analytical dynamics, and chemical equilibrium. Some of the relationships that physical chemistry strives to resolve include the effects of intermolecular forces that act upon the physical properties of materials, includes plasticity, tensile strength, surface tensions in liquids. You can observe the physical chemistry related image from the below representations. So, what is general organic chemistry? Nothing but GOC relevant topics. Identifying the electrophone or nucleophile centers, nomenclature, isomerism, resonance, and conjugation. What is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry that studies the structure, properties, and reactions of organic compounds, which contain carbon in covalent bonding. So let's check the diagrammatic representation of organic chemistry. So, what are the best books for NEET in organic chemistry? NCERT book Organic Chemistry by Morrison and Boyd, Organic Chemistry by Solomon, Organic Chemistry by M.S. Chauhan, ABC of Chemistry for classes 11 and 12 by Modern, Dinesh Chemistry Guide. What is the study of the structure of organic compounds? Organic chemistry is a subdiscipline of chemistry that studies the structure, properties, and reactions of organic compounds which contain carbon in covalent bonding. So let's check some important questions from organic chemistry. Which is the best suited method for the separation of para and orthonitrophenols from 1:1 mixture? A. Crystallization, B. Chromatography, C. Sublimation, D. Stem distillation. And the answer is stem distillation. Find the incorrect statement for a nucleophile. A nucleophile is a Lewis acid. Nucleophiles do not seek electron. Ammonia is a nucleophile. Nucleophiles attack low electron density sites. Third question. Which among the following is the most deactivating meta-directing group in aromatic substitution reaction? A. COH, B. SO3H, C. NO2, D. CN. And the answer is NO2. Ammonia evolved from 0.75 g of the soil sample in the Geldahl's methods for nitrogen estimation neutralizes 10 ml of 1m H2SO4. Find the percentage of nitrogen present in the soil. A. 35.33, B. 37.33, C. 43.33, D. 45.33. And the answer is B. 37.33. The correct order of increasing nucleophility is Cl less than Br less than I, B. Br less than Cl less than I, option C. I less than Br less than Cl, option D. I less than Cl less than Br. And the answer is Cl less than Br less than I. Homologous series of alkanols have a general formula. Option A CnH2nO2, option B CnH2nO, option C CnH2n plus O, option D CnH2n plus O. And the answer is CnH2n plus 2O. Find the compound which undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction exclusively by an SN1 mechanism. A. Benzyl chloride, B. Chlorobenzene, C. Ethyl chloride, D. Isopropyl chloride. Option A. Benzyl chloride. Which of the following methods is best suited for the separation of a mixture containing naphthalene and benzoic acid? A. Crystallization, B. Chromatography. C. Sublimation. D. Distillation. C. Sublimation. How many structural isomers are possible if one hydrogen in diphenyl methane is replaced by chlorine? A 8, B 4, C 7 and D 6, and the answer is B 4. Why do we boil the extract with concentration HNO3 in Lassinger's test for halogens? A. To increase the concentration of NO3 minus ions. B. To increase the solubility product of AgCl. C. It increases the precipitation of AgCl. D. For the decomposition of Na2S and NaCN formed. And the answer is for the decomposition of Na2S and NaCN formed. Hope this section will help you to get the basic knowledge of the difference between physical chemistry, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. If you have any doubts regarding these topics, you can make a comment on our YouTube comment section.